Hi, I'm Dr. Susan Thompson. Welcome to this tapping session on dealing with loud noises and including fireworks using EFT or emotional freedom techniques, which is an acupressure technique that can help with a variety of issues or concerns that you might have. With the 4th of July coming, many of you might be concerned about the loud noises, so that's the reason and purpose for this recording. If you haven't been familiar with tapping, all you have to do is repeat what I say what I say, and do what I do. And I'll call out the different points to tap on, or if you want, just hold the points. And then notice what happens after the tapping session. So we'll just start with at the karate chop. That's the outside of the hand. And we start with a statement of the issue as well as an affirmation. So let's do this. Let's start with, even though I'm triggered by these loud noises, I'm going to be okay right now. Even though I'm triggered by these loud noises, I can feel it all over my body. I'm okay right now. Even though I'm scared and it reminds me of other events, I'm going to be okay right now. The next point is at the top of the head. So these loud noises. Eyebrow, which is right at the edge of the eyebrow. I can feel the fear in my body. Side of the eye, which is on the bone. These loud noises, I just want them to go away. Under the eye. I can feel all this fear rising as I hear these loud noises. Under the nose. I don't know when the next firework's going to go off. Above the chin. And that's just frightening. Collarbone, which is right on the collarbone. And you can just make a C with your hand. These loud noises, I just want them to go away. Under the arm, which is about 4 inches below the armpit. I can feel this trigger in my body. Top of the head, we'll do a couple of rounds. These loud noises. And I usually switch sides of my body, but you don't have to. I can feel my body just going into high alert. Side of the eye. My body is responding in ways that I just don't want it to respond. Under the eye. I just want to get calm. Under the nose. But all I keep hearing are these fireworks or loud noises above the chin. I'm ready to be calm now instead of fired up. Collarbone. These loud noises are just firing me up even more. Under the arm, again, that's here. I just want him to go away. Top of the head. All these loud noises. And I'm going to switch sides again. Eyebrow. I just want to get calm. Side of the eye. So I'm noticing what's happening in my body. Under the eye. And I'm noticing a place, any place, that does feel calm. Under the nose. And I'm focusing on that place above the chin, and I'm allowing the rest of my body to respond. Collarbone, kind of like the calm in the middle of the storm. Under the arm, all these loud noises and the reaction that my body's giving. Top of the head. And I can still find a place of calm, even if it might be one little tiny cell in my body. Eyebrow. And I'm breathing into that calm space. Side of the eye. Calmer and calmer. Under the eye. I can see and hear these fireworks going on around me, under the nose, and I'm allowed to stay calm above the chin. I'm allowed to just breathe in and be present, be right here, right now. Collarbone. Breathing in calm. Under the arm. There might be loud noises going on around me. Top of the head. And I'm calm now. Stop and take a deep breath. And just notice what's happening in your body. You might do another round or two, but please give me some feedback on how this goes for you. Take care. Bye.